Hey everyone and welcome back to Protocol Bytes. In this video we are going to introduce delays in the for loops that we saw in the last video. Okay, in case you have missed that video, I would highly recommend you to check that first and then come here because this video is just the continuation of that. Okay, if you are new to this channel, my name is Akash and I am a protocol test engineer with around a decade of experience now. So on this channel we are trying to break complex networking topics so that they are easier to understand. So if you are a beginner or a seasoned IT professional, you will surely find some value here. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for now, I assume guys you know how to run loops using SecureCRT for particular commands, right? If you have not seen that video, I'll put a link in the description and in the I button. I would highly recommend check that first, so that this will be the second part of that video wherein we are introducing delays in between your loops. Okay, so sometimes you have to wait for, you have a BGP session up, it takes time to get up, right? So you have to wait for that particular span of time and then it will be really fruitful to run loops, with introduction of delay. So how you introduce that delay, that we are going to see in this video. So let's hop to my screen and check that live, right? We have this script that we prepared last time, right, wherein we ran deleting and creation of interface 5 times. Now what I will do is I'll introduce one more command in between. Up to this I was in config mode and right. Okay, once I do a write, let's introduce a delay of 10 seconds. Okay, it's 1000 milliseconds into 10 is equal to 10 seconds of delay. We can do at the end also here. So now the script will wait whenever it reaches this particular spot, it will wait for 10 seconds before executing further commands. So let's check it out live how it works. Okay, I don't have a description. Let's see how this works. Run the script. Now check it out. Okay, now it has stopped, right? In the last video, it didn't stop it. It was continuously executing the commands one after the other. But now it has stopped. Once you complete 10 seconds, this will start. Okay, this is now started. It will again stop at the end of the first iteration. It has again stopped. As you see now, it will stop for 10 seconds and again repeat the loop. So that's how you introduced delays while running for loops uh, in SecureCRT. Okay, I hope this was useful to you. I'll put the commands in the description for you to copy and paste in your scripts and you can just take it from there. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope this video was informative. If you like this video, do check out our other videos in the list, or I'll put it in the end section that you might find interesting. I'll just sign off for now. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.